Good morning, students. Let's continue our lesson Understanding Diversity. Before moving forward, let's have a quick recap on what we have read in our earlier module. In earlier module, we came to know about what is diversity. In that module, we came to know that India is a land of different religion and community. Here, people follow different religions, speak different languages, eat different types of foods, make different friends, and all. Now, we are going to continue our module for the same. How do we explain diversity? People traveled in search of new places to settle in or people to trade with. At times, they stayed back at a place for a long time. Some made their homes at the new places and gave rise to a mix of the old and new in their food, language, music, religion, and so forth. Various cultural influences help to shape life and culture in some regions that become very diverse because of their unique histories. In a similar way, diversity also comes about when people adapt their lives to the geographical area in which they live. For example, living near the sea is quite different from living in a mountainous area. Eating habits and clothing of people differ in each of these regions. The kind of work they do is also different. We can understand this diversity better through a case study of Ladakh and Kerala. Ladakh. Ladakh is a desert in the mountains in the eastern part of Jammu and Kashmir. Very little agriculture is possible here since this region is covered in snow for a large part of the year. People here keep sheep and goats. The goats in this region are special because they produce pashmina wools. The people in Ladakh sell pashmina wool to traders from Kashmir. Pashmina shawls are chiefly woven in Kashmir. Buddhism reached Tibet via Ladakh. Islam was introduced in this region more than 400 years ago and there is a significant Muslim population here. Kerala. Kerala is a state in the southwest corner of India. It is surrounded by the sea on one side and hills on other. A number of spices like pepper, cloves and cardamoms are grown on the hills. Jewish and Arab traders were the first to come here. People in Kerala practice different religions such as Judaism, Islam, Christianity, Hinduism and Buddhism. The fertile land and climate are suited to growing rice. Kerala and Ladakh. Kerala and Ladakh are quite different in terms of their geographical features. The history of both regions has seen similar cultural influences. Both regions were influenced by Chinese and Arab traders. It was the geography of Kerala which allowed for the cultivation of spices and the special geographical location of Ladakh and its wool that drew traders to these regions. Unity in diversity. India's diversity is a source of its strength. Women and men from different cultural, religious, and regional backgrounds came together to oppose British rule in India. India's freedom movement involved thousands of people from different backgrounds. They worked together to decide joint actions, went to jail together, and found different ways to oppose the British. The people showed how they could be different yet united in their battle against the British. The songs and the symbol that emerged during the freedom struggle serve as a constant reminder of the country's rich tradition and respect for diversity. The Indian flag was also used as a symbol of protest against the British. According to the book The Discovery of India by Jawaharlal Nehru, Indian unity is not imposed from the outside but rather it was something deeper and within its fold. The widest tolerance of belief and customs was practiced and every variety. So, in this module, we have discussed how do we explain diversity, case study of Ladakh and Kerala, similarity between Kerala and Ladakh, unity in diversity. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.